Policymakers today are expected to ensure that materials are not only safe for people and the environment, but also sustainable across their entire life cycle. Yet for emerging technologies like nanomaterials, assessments remain fragmented and difficult to align. Risk assessment and life cycle assessment are often applied separately, creating blind spots for regulatory decisions where local risks are assessed without considering broader environmental impacts, or sustainability gains overlook site-specific safety concerns. Risk assessment analyzes if a material poses an unacceptable risk to specific people or ecosystems under defined conditions of exposure. Life cycle assessment evaluates the broader environmental impacts of the material across production, use, and disposal. Together, these two assessments offer complementary insights for informed policymaking. For nanomaterials, both risks and environmental impacts are still not fully understood. Integrating risk assessment and life cycle assessment helps policymakers bridge knowledge gaps, identify trade-offs, and support safe and sustainable by design choices before the materials are deployed. CheMatSustain advances the integration of risk assessment and life cycle assessment by aligning assessment boundaries using harmonized indicators, shared data requirements, and modular workflows. The project applies established tools and an assessment readiness matrix to identify knowledge gaps and support consistent policy-relevant evaluations for nanomaterials. The approach used in CheMatSustain helps reduce uncertainty and improve consistency, supporting evidence-based policymaking and the integration of safety and sustainability evaluations that policymakers can trust. For policymakers and regulators, integrated risk assessment and life cycle assessment strengthen risk governance, supports more coherent sustainability policies, and enhances transparency and public trust. This approach is fully aligned with the Chemicals Strategy for Sustainability, the European Green Deal, and the Safe and Sustainable by Design framework. Explore CheMatSustain's integrated risk assessment, life cycle assessment guidance, tools, and policy insights. Visit the CheMatSustain facility and the Science 2 policy pillar content and discover how these resources support evidence-based, future-ready decisions for safe and sustainable nanomaterials.